She's already messed up her lipstick. Say hi guys, how y'all doing today?
I'm doing, guys. I'm gonna hang up.
Say welcome back to my channel.
Back, channel.
Say if you're new here, please subscribe down below.
This is Wells. This is me.
What she said.
Say give this video a like.
You do right.
And Mama's gonna do my makeup.
You do my giga.
Good intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a like.
This is a channel and step back. I did.
Today I'm going to be doing my daughter's makeup per her
makeup.
per her request.
Congrats.
Edit that out. Okay.
Oh my gosh, it stinks. Thank you to
Thank you to
Mrs. Bennett or Miss Bennett,
this minute.
Rebecca Martin,
A permit.
Have your meat?
and Jennifer Metcalf
Camp.
for commenting on my last video.
A video.
Let's just get right into the video.
Video. Hey, goodbye.
Blow kisses. So. My daughter loves makeup as much as I do, and she's frequently asking me to do her makeup, but I'm usually saying no. And today I decided that she could, or that I would do her makeup, and she was extremely excited, even though she's only 2. So she was a little squirmy-wormy, but she still wanted it done. And, you know, sometimes that means telling her to hold still for a second. And at the end, she really loved it. And yes, she was calling herself beautiful, but we tell her she's beautiful all the time, whether she's covered in mud and in ratty clothes from where she's been playing all day, or if she's in a dress and done up real nice with her hair done. We tell her she's beautiful 24/7. So just because she's got makeup on and she's calling herself pretty or beautiful doesn't mean she's not pretty or beautiful all the time. And it doesn't mean that we don't tell her that she's beautiful all the time. She kept wanting to sit up while I was doing her makeup, and so I handed her a mirror so she could see. And this helped a little bit, but she still wanted to sit up and move around and play because, you know, she's 2. But it doesn't matter how much makeup I put on her face, she would still like me to pile on more at the end. So, you know, you can only do so much. And, you know, she's 2 and I don't usually put makeup on her face, so she's squinting and making faces, even though she's loving every last bit of this. She is both a tomboy and a girly girl. Like, she will get up in a tutu and be all dressed up in her princess gown and still play in the mud and chase after worms and bugs and all that stuff. So I gave her some glitter because I knew she'd love it, and she did. I don't think she needs all this to be beautiful, but she wanted to be done up like Mommy does her makeup. So I did every step that I do to myself because that's what she wanted, and she wanted to be pampered the way Mommy does her makeup. And so I was giving her the full treatment, which she really enjoyed. And I let her bang on the face powder the way I do to get it on the cap. She's so silly. She's doing her, "Hi guys, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel." She says that to herself in the mirror all the time. It cracks me up. Like, she thinks she's doing her own YouTube channel even when she's doing her makeup in her room, because she has a little vanity that my mother-in-law made for her. And she's just, you know, talking to herself, but it's adorable. I was just telling my husband I didn't realize how much darker my hair was than my daughter's until I used my eyebrow pencil on her, and her eyebrows look black to me. She had messed up her liner from squinting, so I was trying to fix it for her, but you know, she's 2, so it really wasn't gonna get much better than it was. We are taking her to see Toy Story 4 this weekend, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be her first movie theater movie, and it's almost making me want to cry, but I think she's gonna be really good. Like, I have the confidence that she can sit all the way through a movie, maybe have to go to the bathroom once, but I think she can do it. My husband's a little iffy about it, but I have confidence in her, and I'm so excited to get to do something like this with her, because we've been waiting for her to get big enough to do things like this. Leave a comment down below letting me know what fun things you guys love to do with your kids, or what things you're excited for them to be able to do, or what things that they love to do that you find silly, like my daughter and her makeup. And I just think it's adorable how much she loves to play in it and be just like mommy. Even though I don't force her into it, I don't make her like it, I let her be whoever she wants to be.
Mama, is done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Good job, Mama.
Huh?
I'm beautiful.
Are you beautiful?
Yeah, I'm beautiful.
Woo, woo. Do you hear her, Daddy?
Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm beautiful.
I'm cute. That's your picture, Mama.
I'm cute. Good job, Mama.
Hey, Mama did it.
Mama did a good job.
Mama done.
What should turn that fan back on, huh?
Oh, is it on low?
Good. That's really cute. So cute.
Say hi, guys. How y'all doing today?
Let's do it, guys. Back.
Apparently tooting. Hi, guys. How y'all doing today?
Do it, guys. I'm doing, guys. Cute. So cute. Thank you, Mama.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Is it what you wanted?
Yeah, I think I want it. Daddy,
Baby?
Mama done.
Mama did your makeup.
Mama's little dick. Daddy? Cute. Ooh, ooh, ah. Cute. Daddy?
Pulled the old switcheroo on you.
I said your makeup.
Now say, bye everybody.
Bye, Daddy.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Blow kisses. Oh, hold on. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.
Subscribe to
Leave a comment down below.
Bye.
Letting me know how I did on this look. I know it's not perfect, but you know, she's 2. Alright guys, see you tomorrow.
She's an idiot.
You're in this, you know that, right?